Windows 11 Fix Automatic Repair Loop. How to fix your PC did not start correctly. Click on this. Advanced Options. Different solutions work for different problems. So try it and please like and comment. Click on this troubleshoot here. Click on this Advanced Options here. And now click on this command prompt. Here we are going to write some commands. First we need to write here. SFC // now and hit enter key. Perfect. Wait a little. Okay, here you go. Now we are going to write here chkd's // and the letter of drive where your Windows is installed. In my case, my Windows is installed in C drive, so I'm going to write C: and hit enter key. So, wait a little. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now close it from here. Now just click on this continue button and your problem will be fixed. If this video was the point, like, comment, and yes, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.